We started working with Level 5 in 2019, and we have gone ahead and done 7 different projects with Level 5. We had a partnership with 3 credit unions that became 1 credit union. There were bits and pieces from all those 3 credit unions, very individual.
I would say they look like they were maybe a time capsule from the 1990s, some of them.
Some of them were much darker, a little bit more segregated, not as welcoming. They were very formal. The decision was made to remodel the Roy branch completely. We had only scheduled to do the teller lines to put in teller pods at our other 3 branches. When all is said and done, we actually did a little bit more in each of those branches to make them look and feel consistent for our members so they all get the same experience at those branches.
Doing a remodel comes with a lot of challenges. We feel like Level 5 has honestly done a really good job of helping the staff and coordinate all of that stuff and putting the staff and our members first throughout the remodel, because there were a lot of tight quarters.
There were many days on the calendar that we were supposed to be closed in the lobby or closed at the drive-thru. And our superintendent did a phenomenal job of doing his best to get the subs in after hours and on weekends or when we close so that we could cut those days down, and they were minimal.
One of the branch managers too reached out to me after the superintendent left and said, "We feel like he's part of our staff. We want him to stay at the branch. Is there any way we can do that?" I said no.
We've heard a lot of compliments. Probably the thing that I love the best is the open filling from the drive-thru to the front. There's just that circular motion that they can walk around and help our members. One of the changes that we made at our branches was going to cash recyclers, which made it much easier for our tellers to help members if they bring in a large deposit. We also brought in coin machines to each one of our branches.
And I like that the member service representatives that sit at an office location, if the tellers need help assisting a member, those member service representatives can jump right up.
We wanted the glass to feel like it's a more open environment, that our members could see what everybody's doing or where everyone's at.
It's almost like it's a new, complete building with the remodels. Like the building has been leveled and a new one has been put in to replace it, because the area just looks so much bigger and brighter and friendlier, more welcoming for the members. Having an established prototype with Level 5 for all of the branches and the remodels really helped to move things along a lot quicker.
We would finish one on a Friday and they would literally be ready on that Saturday to start the demo at the next one.
Level 5 was the ideal design partner because their communication was, in our opinion, off the charts.
We anticipate working with Level 5 in the future. We've loved the relationship that we've had with them. We have mapped out the next 6 to 10 years, and Level 5 will be a part of that. We look forward to working with them on the next branch for Wasatch Peaks.